Alright, here is jayztwocents building the first PC with the RTX 5090, and this is the radiator he's using for the CPU, and you'll see right after this, that's the GPU, the RTX 5090 going into the build. And something interesting that I've noticed is the connector that's actually rotated 90 degrees and goes in the body of the GPU, as you can see there. Because of that, he's able to close the side panel on this build. But if that was sticking out of the body itself, then that side panel would not go on. So because of the smaller design of the card and also this new cable plug-in situation, the GPU is going to be compatible with a lot more cases, and that's really good to see, especially with the 4090 being so large. It wouldn't fit in this case with